Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this episode of Health Guidelines for Hajj and Umrah, I will inshallah discuss some common situations which can become a nuisance and hinder your ability to fulfill all your obligations in the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now Zamzam in the Haramain are found all over the masjid. They are found in groups of 4 to 6 containers. Commonly you'll find that only one of them contains room temperature Zamzam. The others will contain cold Zamzam, cooled by some safe chemicals that are used. Drinking this cold Zamzam can give you a sore throat. Sometimes people mistake the sore throat for an infection. Room temperature Zamzam, remember, is warm because of the warm outside temperature. So you may need to mix some of the cold Zamzam with the warm Zamzam to make it palatable for you. So try and avoid drinking cold Zamzam because it's going to give you a sore throat. Also the marble. The Haramain inside and outside are covered by beautiful, soft, cool white marble. Now this marble can become very slippery when it's wet. Please walk carefully when you are confronted with this situation. Marble is very hard, and if you do fall, you can fracture your knees, hips, elbows and backs without much effort. So I have seen patients with fractured hips quite regularly falling on this marble, on this hard marble. Also the marble reflects sunshine, making it very bright. If you have sensitive eyes, it will affect you. Please wear sunglasses. These are acceptable to use in your ihram during Hajj and Umrah. So please use sunglasses. On the Mataf area where Tawaf takes place, it is usually very busy. Stay on the outside of the circle where it is less crowded, where bumping into other people, especially people of the opposite sex, is at a minimum. The Hajar al-Aswad area is extremely busy, with most people in this area in a frenzy. No rules apply here. If it is very busy, please keep away from this area. People have suffered rib fractures, abdominal pain, injuries and ankle injuries here. So if it's busy, please keep away from this area. Rather wait for a quieter time to approach this area. During Tawaf, be careful for wheelchairs behind you. They can scrape your ankles very badly and can disable you for a few days. Please carry a spare set of spectacles with you. Yours may become misplaced or damaged, so you will need a spare set of glasses. Optometrists are very difficult to find in Saudi Arabia, so please take a spare set of glasses with you. Also, make sure that the lenses are plastic, not glass, because the glass can shatter if hit by a stone during the stoning of the Jamarat. Sometimes people miss the wall and hit the person opposite them, hitting the glasses, breaking the lenses, causing injury to their eyes. Severe eye injuries can occur if the glass lenses are shattered. So be very careful. Due to the dry, extreme heat and the marble floors, heels can become very dry, developing calluses and cracking. This can lead to infections, especially in diabetics. So from the moment you arrive in Saudi Arabia, start moisturizing your whole body. Use a strong heel balm on your heels, because invariably you'll find that your heels will become callous and your heels will start cracking. Use socks that do not slip on the marble floor to keep the feet protected. Also, you may use sealskin socks or leather socks like Mozas. And you may even use a pair of socks underneath it to make it comfortable for you, to cushion your feet from the marble. So you can use all these products when you are performing performing Nafil Tawaf, and when you are walking around the Haramain inside or outside. It will make a big difference to you in your comfort. And if you just take care of these little problems, sometimes they can become a real nuisance for you and disrupt your ibadah.